You're good, Bob?
Yep.
All right. Jeremy, clock starts, by the way, on the first hit. All right, on the clock. Jeremy Bunting, California, with the Carnage truck here. I'll count it down as we go, 5 seconds in. And it's a sudden death if you roll over or anything. 15 seconds in. That's good. It's flat topping it, 30 seconds in. Nice running by Jeremy, 35 seconds. He's got 25 left. Oh. Nice. 45 seconds, you got 15 left, Jeremy. Ten seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's time. Nice, 1 second here, let me get. On your first hit there, Tyler. Five seconds in. $15 into the run. Approaching 25 in here. Here we go. First real big hit. Halfway home. And that'll do it. That was 31 seconds approximately. What we got here. Whenever you make your first hit, you are on the clock. There we go. Ten seconds into the run here. $20 seconds. You are right at halfway home. 30 seconds in. The digger here. Ooh. 40 seconds. $15 seconds left, JJ. Nice. There goes the tape holding that down. 10 seconds. 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's time. Sounds like yours might go away, but he made the time. Nice work there. It's tricky to keep. right, Alex, on your first hit here. All right, now the run is legal. Cool. 10 seconds in. Alex is here from New Jersey. Coast to coast. 20 seconds in. Halfway. Keep her going. Seconds in. The big thing with the run is just the hard hits on the top where the turtling not doing, so he's good still. 15 seconds left. Little monkey flip. Oh, he keeps it. 5 seconds left. Little bicycling, stops it. Good control. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That's it. That's a killer run right there. That's an awesome run. On your hit. All right, on the clock. Oh, 10 seconds in here. Almost got the combo there. 20 seconds in. 20 seconds in. Bright blue Trill housings on the truck. Oh, that's it. It was 24 seconds, we'll call it. Thank you. Five seconds in here. Try for the power wheelie start. $15 seconds in. 15 seconds. Looks like planted the wheelie bar a little there. 30 seconds. We're 30 seconds. That was good. He's still good. That was not on the roof. All right, so that was good though. 35 seconds. We'll call it 35 seconds. 15 seconds.